Hey guys, welcome to another episode of server building, and I'm going to be making some pants. So yeah, let's get started, which I already am. Let's cut off the bottom. There we go. Done cutting off the bottom. Now, I've made pants before, in a different server, but I have made pants. I think this is supposed to be 8 wide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 8 wide, 1, 2, 3. Why am I getting shot at? Okay, I can't really see in the dark. I'm recording. Bro, I'm recording.
Because right now, we're going in 5 hours.
No, it doesn't look right. So then I get the lime stain. Okay, right here. Or was it right? Yeah, it was right here, right here, right here. No, it was one down. I remember now. One down. And then do it. Let's do. Okay, now let's fill it up with this. Now let's check it from far away. That was amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. I'm too lazy to put the leave a like and subscribe up, so yeah. If you're wondering why I didn't put it up, this is the fastest build I've done. So leave a like, subscribe, and peace out. Why did I take a screenshot? Oh yeah, I should have done that at the end. Wait, this is the end. I mean, when the video was done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and peace out, yo.